Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're here and we're gonna create, a Saturday slay. Why not, right? So today I'm gonna use different shades but do, the same look on each eye. So if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so I have this palette here. This is Disney Designer Collection Midnight Masquerade X Colourpop, and I literally have never used it. Like I haven't realized that. So I'm gonna just dabble with the shades a little bit and we'll see what looks. I'm trying to find a brush. I'm just getting my brushes ready. So this is E13 and I'm gonna go into that really dark blue called Merryweather. So as I say, it's gonna be like the same look, but I'm gonna use different shades and we'll see what we can come up with. We'll see what we come up with. And let's tap this. So I have to be very honest with you guys, like Colourpop is pretty inexpensive, but they're not my favorite. Like I don't know. Like for me, like the foundations come out real patchy. Not foundation, sorry, the shades. See, I can already see this is like patching up. And this is supposed to be like a really dark blue, but it's actually not that dark. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this 204. And I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here to blend this out right here, maybe. Called New Dream, and this is the 204 for Makeup by Yolondo, and I'm just gonna tap this on this edge. And just make sure the edge is nice and blended. And we're gonna go back in with that blue because as you see it did take a little bit away, but it's fine. It is fine. Like so, and now I'm gonna go back to that blue. And now back to that pinky shade. Okay. Now I'm gonna go into this brush right here. And I'm gonna go into my glitter glue. Ooh, I need to buy more. Actually, I have some more downstairs. I just need to bring it out. And we're gonna put some glitter glue down. And we're gonna use the T48. And we're gonna go into Frog and Wife, which is this shade right here. And then this shade. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put this like right here. The thing is with like Colourpop stuff, like I feel like their shimmers are pretty good, their mattes not so much, but Colourpop is pretty inexpensive, so I don't really like if I'm gonna buy like a shadow from them, I feel like if I really have to, I maybe will get something from like Juvia's Place. Because they're kind of around the same price, but Juvia's Place is so much better. So I'm going to use that same brush, just the other side, and we're going to go into Mama Odie. Then we're just going to put this right here. Like so, but I do want that blue again because I feel like I lost a little bit of it right here. Like so. So I don't know, is that, I feel like this is like ending too short. This is what, M14 from Morphe. I'm just gonna use this to blend it a little bit. Cause it's fine because I'm not trying to do a core crease, you know. Perfect. So that's it for this eye, right? So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna kind of create the same look but different shades, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and yeah, let's jump into that foundation that we're testing out today. I know I went crazy with the eyes, but today the eyes is not the focus, or maybe it is. So you know, look, and now we're gonna jump into the foundation, and the lucky winner today is the Airbrush Flawless Foundation. Stays all day and night from Tilbury, right here. So let me shake this a little bit. Where's my foundation? Use this brush. This is my 732 from Luxie. Oh, just so I don't forget, I actually did not use a primer today. I just used the Glowscreen from Supergoop. It is just sunscreen pretty much. I do that because I am gonna be outside and I kind of want, you know, to protect my skin. So yeah. And this is my perfect match, like perfect. Sometimes like on here, because of the lights, like it looks like it's, sometimes it's light, but it's actually not. See, this just kind of blend in my skin. Okay, so I'm gonna jump into my concealer. I used this 2-shade concealer the other day and I like it. Not this one. Actually, this one will be fine. It will be fine. I'm gonna use my Can't Stop Won't Stop right here. Like so. And now I'm gonna go into my light medium sand from Tarte Shape Tape. It's also like the test of a foundation, what is gonna be good if you can layer products on it, you know. So yeah, I know this is a lot of concealer. That's a lot, but that's okay. That's okay. Let's use my Mario foundation. Not foundation stick. This is actually a contour stick. This is actually a contour stick from Mario, and that shade is dark. I love this foundation stick. Why do I keep calling this contour stick? But it's kind of messy. So I'm gonna go in with my E34 from Morphe, and then we're just gonna blend this real quick. And just do so. This blends like so well. Like it's so good. Like, I mean, obviously, like I go darker with my contour, but if you don't want to go this dark, you can use like a lighter shade. But this blends so well that I promise you it will not be like a problem, you know. Because I know sometimes like that can be intimidating because it's so dark, and then if it's hard to blend, like I mean, even for me, like that can be an issue. But usually, like my foundation or whatever I use for my contour, usually pretty solid to blend. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I pick good. Okay, now let's jump into concealer. Don't ask me why I say it like that. And I'm gonna use my slick brush. You have to be careful with that Tarte Shape Tape because it can be drying pretty quick. But you just have to be fast. Man, this concealer is really good too. The one from Nyx, you know, and it's not too expensive. And now I'm just gonna take this brush and we're just gonna tap it. This is a powder brush, you know, because I want everything to kind of blend into each other. So like this. So these are like working out really good. They are kind of, you know, blending nicely together. See this? You know, they're working. They're good. They're friends. Perfect. Okay, so let's set and forget, but it needs to be something that I like and I know it's gonna work, right? Because then that's not fair to the foundation. So today our lucky winner is gonna be this from Huda Beauty. Like, please don't do this because that's like the worst thing, because now a ton of it comes out, and that's shade blonde. And then what am I gonna use to set the rest of my face? Actually, let's use this. I'm gonna use my I'm gonna actually use my powder from Huda, just a different shade. You know what? Nope. We're gonna set our face with Charlotte Tilbury powder, because this is like the airbrush powder. So we're gonna use that, and I'm gonna use another 734, not the same one that I used before. This is just a different one, but it's the same type of brush. It's a powder brush. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prep my eye so you can start drying for my base, or for my waterline, sorry, and then we can move into the face or just continue the face real quick. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. So while this is drying up, let's jump to the face. Not sure why I'm dancing, but you know. Ooh, I haven't used this in a while. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. It's just her bronzing powder. Oh, bronzer. It wasn't really the, you know, intention to use all this Charlotte Tilbury stuff, but you know, why not? And now we're gonna use this brush from Supergoop. Alleyoop. Why am I saying Supergoop? Oh, because of that stuff I use on my face. Okay, so we're gonna go into, actually I'm gonna use this. This is from Hoola, which is Benefit, but I'm gonna use Toasty. Toasty is really dark, so I need to be real careful with that. So yeah, the foundation stuff is laying on really, really nice on that foundation, but you know, I already kind of knew that. But you know what's crazy? I've had this foundation for a while, but I've never used it with like Charlotte's things or her other stuff. So I feel like this is a good test, you know, like especially the fact that they're from the same brand. Like, let's see if that works, right? Because then that would be the worst, that it doesn't work, you know. But so far so good. Like, look at this. Well, not yet, because I have like, you know, a really like dark, and I even mix the bronzers or the, yeah, I even mix it up. Side done, because my husband drank most of it. That's my story. That is my story. Okay, so let's finish up the eye real quick, and I'm going back to that same dark blue shade. So clean that brush up, We're gonna go into that like pinky shade that's up there. And I'm gonna use this M506 to do my inner corners. So I'm gonna bring that light shade that I use, and then I'm pretty much gonna do the same thing for both eye. Whenever I put my inner corner, I'm just gonna bring it down. Done son. And let's dust this off. Actually, I'm gonna put, which just is this one, black core in this eye, in this waterline on my eye. I'm not putting it in my eye. This is alkaline. I'm gonna put this in this one. Let's use this for Melt. This is Honey Fifth from Milk. Actually, like this. And now we're gonna go for highlighter. I'm gonna use this from Juvia's Place. This is the Tribe Highlighter Volume 3. I'm hungry. Just tap in there right here. So I'm gonna take my foundation brush and just gonna dump it up a little bit because that's a lot. I'm gonna use my Morphe spray because I look hella like dry. Which shade is this? Bite Me. This is 415 from Armani. Okay, so yeah, so I really like how this look came out. I know that lip is bold for that eye, but my eye is kind of a little bit muted, so why not go for a bold lip, you know? So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.